Maximum number of balloons. Given a string, use the characters to form as many instances of the word balloon. Each characters can only be used once. Return the number of balloons we can make. In this case, we can make 2 instances of balloon. We can solve this using a hash map. We first iterate through the string, and we can create a hash map to keep track of only the characters in balloon. Recall the spelling of the word balloon. With one N, we can potentially spell out one instance of balloon. Notice that balloon has 2 L's, so with 4 L's, we can potentially spell out 2 instances of balloon. Again, with 2 A's, we can potentially spell out 2 instances, and so on. The number of instances we can create is constrained by the minimum value. So in this case, we can only make 1 balloon.
And here's the code to do so. Please like and follow for more.